Public Infrastructure Minister David Patterson, during a conversation on social media Wednesday evening, said that there are no immediate plans to rescue several Guyanese who were left stranded in several territories due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Patterson explained that several flights are leaving weekly from Ghana, taking out foreign nationals who were also left stranded in local soil. But couldn't Ghana do the same? According to Patterson, it is much easier said than done. The Public Infrastructure Minister further explained that several airline carriers have ceased operation in Ghana. In addition, he opined that rescuing those stranded overseas may be a risk to Ghana's own healthcare system.
We have a very vulnerable health system, right? I mean, we're coping at the moment, but obviously when you come back in, you have to be quarantined, and if you come back in with the virus, the advice we're giving to most persons is if you say you're in the States, you're in a country with some of the best health systems. I know you want to be there with your friends and family, but if you think about them, for them, you think that you're in a country with the best healthcare system.
Minister Patterson further underscored that Guyanese overseas must also take into consideration the risks that exist with returning from territories which have recorded thousands of deaths and infections.
Right now, there's no plans for us to charter any planes to bring anybody in. We're just saying that you stay where you are. If you're finding challenges, as I've said before, what you should do is contact the embassies or the consuls or the closest person to you, and they keep a record, and they let us know who are there, and if there's any challenges, anything that the government can do to assistance-wise, they are out.
Minister Patterson also spoke to the issue of the Guyanese students who returned to Ghana and were all immediately placed under quarantine. Among the students were Khalid Gobin, who sought the intervention of the courts for his release from the facility.
They complained because I don't think persons realize what quarantine is. Quarantine is not like if you go on a vacation. Quarantine is immediately off the plane. You can't say hi to your mother, your father, your sister. You can't interact with nobody. The staff meets you with their hazmat, put you in the special plane, special boat, and carry you straight to the center. So I think that was the first issue that they had. Because they obviously thought that when they were able to get back into Ghana, they would see their parents, see their family, interact with them, and then obviously then go to the quarantine.
Javone Vickerie, HGP Nightly News.